Album Cover AI is a game-changing tool that just hit the market, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you've ever struggled to design album covers or simply want a more efficient, creative process, this software might be exactly what you've been looking for. Stick around, because I'll cover everything from its features to its real-world applications. First off, Album Cover AI is designed to make creating professional-grade album covers easier than ever before. Whether you're an independent artist, a label, or just someone looking to add some eye-catching art to your music, this tool can take your project to the next level. And the best part? You can try it for free right now with the link below, so you can see for yourself why this AI software is getting so much buzz. Now let's talk about how Album Cover AI works. This tool uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate album artwork based on input keywords, styles, or themes you provide. You're not just relying on random results either. You can customize your designs to match the aesthetic you're going for, making it more tailored to your vision. What really sets Album Cover AI apart is its intuitive user interface. Unlike other design tools that can overwhelm beginners, this software is incredibly easy to navigate. No need for professional graphic design experience. Just input a few ideas and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's a huge time saver, especially for artists who are on a tight deadline. One of the biggest selling points is how quickly it generates results. In a matter of minutes, you can go from an idea to a full album cover, ready to be downloaded and used. And the quality of these designs? They're nothing short of impressive. The AI doesn't just generate random images. It creates art that's in line with current design trends, all while giving you the ability to tweak elements until it's perfect. Another thing you'll love is the variety of styles available. From minimalistic designs to more complex detailed artwork, Album Cover AI covers all the bases. You can experiment with different art styles, ensuring that your album cover stands out from the crowd. Let's also talk about the customizations available. Once you've generated a cover, you can adjust it further by choosing color palettes, adding text, or changing the design elements. This means you're not locked into a template. You have complete creative control. Now, let's be real. AI software can sometimes feel like it lacks that human touch. But with Album Cover AI, it does an impressive job of maintaining a balance between automation and artistic design. The results are polished and professional, and the software doesn't just make random decisions. It learns from your inputs, getting better and more precise over time. If you're still skeptical, here's one last reason to check it out. As someone who's tried thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this is one of the best for creative professionals. Whether you're a seasoned musician, a small indie label, or just starting out, Album Cover AI will save you both time and money compared to hiring a graphic designer. And you don't have to worry about waiting for weeks to get your cover done. Get it in minutes. In summary, Album Cover AI is a revolutionary tool for artists and creators who need fast, customizable, and high-quality designs for their albums. If you want to get started, remember, the first link in the description gives you access to a completely free trial. I have used countless AI tools, and after trying them all, this one truly stands out. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. Each one has been tested and selected for its usefulness. Thanks for watching.